time for a special little tool. It has literally been like 30 minutes and she hasn't come out of her dog house. She knows she did naughty. The short people thing, you all get it. This is what we have done so far. We're just doing a makeshift rabbit roof, and it's gonna look like these. It's nothing big, it's super simple, but we're going to finish off this one and add on to this, and we're going to finish this one up. I've already gotten started, so let's just get going. I'm really just eyeballing this because it's just something that I'm throwing up for the rabbits. I'm not taking really measurements at all. I'm just throwing it together right now. Well, I made it hard for myself to attach this piece of wood to that side. I should have left a little extra up here so that I could do it a little bit higher or whatever. But I'm gonna have to use one of these brackets, fence brackets, to put on here so that I can put this on. Then at least it'll be semi-level with everything else. special little tool. This space is too big for my drill to fit, but if we use this, we'll be able to get it drilled in. Short people think you don't get it. Well, all the framework is done. Just need to get some plywood up for the roof. I have found that my dog has killed a baby chick. Well, teeny bopper chick. This is the evidence that we have, that we know that there is a dead chicken that is gone. Yeah. Nothing left but that. I literally just looked down on her, so I went to her and I'm like, dog, did you do this? And she went straight to her bed to time out. She knew what she had done. Hopefully I have the video to capture that. I'll show it to you. You killed a chicken, didn't you? What's this? Did you kill a chicken? It has literally been like 30 minutes and she hasn't come out of her doghouse. She knows she did naughty.